In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to check, and how to get a clean, shareable PDF straight from your design. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into your workspace. Once you're in, open the project that contains the design you want to export. If you have a lot of files, use Search or your recent files to find it quickly. With your project open, take a moment to make sure your design is truly ready to go. Check that your frames are sized correctly for the PDF you need, your layout is aligned, and your text is final. Make sure any layers you don't want to show are hidden, and confirm that images look crisp at the size they'll appear. If you're sharing with stakeholders, a quick pass for spelling, spacing, and consistency can save a lot of back and forth later. When you're set, click on the specific frame, component, or group you want to export. Figma exports what you select, so selecting the right thing matters. If you select multiple frames, Figma will bundle them into a single multi-page PDF ordered based on your layer list. That's handy for presentations or documents with several screens. Now look to the right-hand sidebar and find the export section near the bottom. If you don't see it, make sure an object or frame is selected. In the export panel, choose the file type, open the format menu, and select PDF. This will export your design as a vector-based PDF, which keeps lines and text sharp when zoomed in. If you're preparing a document for on-screen viewing, this is perfect. If you're sending it for professional printing, remember that Figma exports in RGB. Check with your print provider about their requirements. Before you export, glance at the preview settings to ensure everything looks as expected. If you selected multiple frames, confirm they're in the order you want. When you're confident, click the Export button. Your browser or operating system will prompt you to choose a location and file name. Pick a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Choose where you want it saved and confirm. That's it. You've exported a PDF from Figma. Open it to verify everything looks correct and you're ready to share with teammates, clients, or stakeholders. If you need a different version later, just revisit the same export panel and choose PDF again. Thanks for watching and happy designing.